Chia seed water has become popular on social media, but does it live up to the hype? Chia seed water has taken social media by storm, becoming known for its hydration, skin health, and digestion benefits, as well as for providing the body with omega 3s, fiber, and protein. Maybe you already add chia seeds to your smoothie or oatmeal, but what about water? Does it actually have the health benefits people claim? But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe this, my channel Envelish your go-to skincare, hair care, and healthcare channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss out my latest videos. Let's continue. Before you pour yourself a glass of chia seed water, let's discuss the potential benefits, risks, and alternatives. This is what experts have to say. What is chia seed water? Chia seeds are a member of the mint family and come from the Salvia hispanica plant. They originated in Central America but are now available around the world and are often promoted as a good source of fiber and omega 3 fatty acids. To make chia water, combine a few tablespoons of chia seeds with water. Many people add lemon juice or honey for flavor. But just the combination of chia seeds and water can yield benefits. Dr. Ralph Waldo, a physician in Carmel, Indiana, says he often recommends chia seeds and chia seed water. Chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, and omega 3 fatty acids, which can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, he says. Potential chia seed water benefits. More research is needed to better understand the health benefits of chia seed water, but the following are generally understood as positive outcomes of drinking it. Hydrates the body. Drinking a combination of water and chia seeds may help keep you hydrated. Amy Alexander, a registered dietitian at NutriPeak, says that chia seeds can absorb as much as 12 times their weight in water, so chia water acts very efficiently at hydrating the body. Boosts skin health. Chia seed water is also great for your skin. The Maryland Institute of Plastic Surgery says that drinking water helps improve skin elasticity, increase blood flow, and moisturize your skin. Flushes body waste chia seeds also help your body flush waste and salt. As Alexander puts it, the fiber content in chia seeds is high and helps in digestion for the promotion of waste products in the body and encouraging proper bowel movement. Aids in weight management. Chia water may also be good for controlling your weight. Waldo says when you make chia water, there is gel that forms around the seeds as they absorb water. This gel creates a feeling of fullness that can support weight management and appetite control, reduces blood pressure. A December 2023 paper by Oregon State University researchers, published by Frontiers in Plant Science, sequenced the chia genome. The study identified lower blood pressure as one potential benefit of eating or drinking chia seeds. Alexander also says that by lowering blood pressure, chia seed water could contribute to heart health. Lowers cholesterol levels. The Oregon State University study also named lower cholesterol as a benefit of chia seeds. Waldo says he has seen patients use chia seeds as part of a plan to lower their cholesterol. Supports digestion. The fiber, omega 3 fatty acids, and protein in chia seed water all aid in better digestion when eaten in moderation. Eating too much could lead to bloating or gas. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants in chia seed water could also help you mitigate inflammation. Potential chia seed water risks. For most people, chia seed benefits will outweigh the risks. There are some minor risks, mostly related to overconsumption. Alexander says drinking too much chia seed water could cause issues including bloating, gas, or constipation, especially if taken without enough water. Waldo recommends starting with 1 to 2 tablespoons in 8 ounces of water. There is also a small risk of allergic reactions. Alexander warns that people with seed or nut allergies should be cautious and might want to consult a health professional before taking chia seeds for the very first time. How to make chia seed water. It's easy to make chia water, but before you mix your first glass, remember that chia seeds begin to swell and create a gel pretty quickly. Many people let their seeds steep in water for a few minutes before they drink it, but waiting too long will make your drink pretty gelatinous. Ingredients: 8 ounces of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, lemon juice. Preparation: put your water, lemon juice, and chia seeds into a drinking glass. Let your seeds steep for as long as you'd like. If you prefer a thicker drink, try allowing them to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir and enjoy. If you don't like lemon juice, you can add honey, fruit slices, or water flavor drops. So guys, here is a little reminder if you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which topic you are worried about most, like acne problems, dull skin complexion, healthcare issues, etc., etc. Feel free to comment, and then I'll definitely discuss it in the next video. Now continue the video. Let's talk about chia seed water alternatives. The consistency or taste of chia seed water may not be for everyone. If that's you, consider these alternative ways to get the same benefits. Alexander has 2 recommendations for anyone who doesn't like chia seed water. Chia seed pudding. Soak the seeds in milk or a milk alternative. This has similar nutritional benefits and is more palatable for some people than chia seeds on their own. Chia seed jam. Blend chia seeds with fruit and a natural sweetener to make a spreadable, nutrient-rich jam. She says both options are very similar to chia water because they do a great job of carrying a wide variety of beneficial fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants within them, making them great options for incorporating the chia seed into one's diet in different forms. Thanks for watching until next time. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, bye ye.